think like every M3, M4 should get a matte finish PPF.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to present you a BMW M3 Competition, and this specific one is going to get paint protection in matte finish. So primarily the car came a gloss black from the factory with a little bit protection. It looks different now, it looks frozen, and specifically we used Ceramic Pro USA for paint protection film and ceramic coatings. And I'll explain you why you should do that as well on your car specifically. Ceramic Pro comes with 12-year warranty for the film, that it's not gonna fade, delaminate in time. Also on Carfax, you're gonna get a report that it's been installed paint protection on your car on a specific date. So that basically adds value to your car in time, and it shows that it's been protected from day one. And the appearance itself on this specific car is just mesmerizing. Like, it makes it more aggressive, more wide, beefy, and we think like every M3, M4 should get a matte finish PPF to open up all the lines and look, more aggressive, because it's all about aggressiveness in these cars. Going on other improvements we've done to this car, first of all, it will be the tint. So for tint, we usually use only nano ceramic tints. There's a benefit of rejecting the heat, have some UV protection, and be like one of the best clear films you can get on the market. And that film comes with lifetime warranty, so we're never gonna have like fading, bubbling film in the future. So we always recommend to do only that kind of film, and we don't even carry anything lower than that. On this specific car, we also did a ceramic coating on the interior, on leather. That's very important, especially when you get a new car with the nice and bright interior. The ceramic coating for leather helps a lot with keeping the leather clean, very rich and bright color, and easy to clean. So that will be for any other car you have like a bright interior. Just do it since day one. Believe me, you're not going to be disappointed with that. On this specific car, we also did a ceramic coating on the paint protection film to have like a more deep, rich color. Also, it will be very hydrophobic, so it will be easy to clean it up. It will be easy to wash the car itself. It's not gonna stain so easy, and usually it's good to do it once in a year so you can keep the surface hydrophobic all the time. Also, on this car, we've done some other modifications to the suspension. We did the lowering springs up front. Plus, we did the spacers all around, 15 and 12 millimeters. It makes the appearance of the car being like it's supposed to be from the factory, a little bit lowered, more aggressive, more wider, and it fills up the gaps when it comes to the wheels. So just keep in mind, we do hear a lot of modifications when it comes to like full exhaust, springs, lowering, coilovers, any accessories as like the grille in carbon or just the regular CS for the M3. We can install any carbon lip, any other modifications, side skirts, diffuser, everything that your heart desires. We know these cars, especially the M3, M4s, so just send us a text or email us. I'll let you know pricing and also how fast we can do it.